Hi everyone, welcome to our video presentation. We are Group 6, Siba, Sophia, Sarah, Kat, and Koketo. And today we're taking you on a tour of our SharePoint platform designed for Eversafe Financials. Our focus is on streamlining the loan processing function in the finance department. Let's get into it.
Our organization is Eversafe Financials, a financial service provider that focuses on secure business lending. We work with a diverse range of clients, from small startups to large corporations, as well as NGOs and investors. Our mission is to empower clients through structured, secure financial solutions. We help them grow with products like business loans, corporate credit lines, and investment solutions. But behind the scenes, there's a lot of paperwork, regulation, and risk, which is where our SharePoint system comes in.
Here at Eversafe Financials, our finance department section focuses on the core financial activities which form the backbone of our site. As you will see, the three folders highlight the areas that are vital for the organization. Banking and Transactions provides interested clients with information to opening an investment account, our investment plans, as well as loan application forms should they be interested. The second, Financial Reports, will help them get insight to the performance of Eversafe should they need that confirmation. And finally, the Payroll folder, which deals with payslips for employees. This structure isn't just logical, it's intuitive.
The Legal and Compliance section stores contracts, policies, and regulatory documents, everything needed to stay legally protected. Folders include things like non-disclosure agreements, whistleblower and fraud policies, data privacy, and contracts. Think of this area as our legal armor, protecting both the company and our clients.
In the Client Services folder, you will see a subfolder named Customer Support, in which we store our home mortgage calculator. This is specifically for our customer-facing employees so that they can get that calculation fast and efficiently to any client who may need it.
The HR department holds everything from training documents and timesheets to payslips and policy documents. We renamed confusing files like BCEA2 to Eversafe Employee Wage Register so staff can quickly find what they need. It's like organizing your closet by occasion. You always know where your work shirt is.
This is where our digital backbone lives. IT and security handles the software inventory, access controls, and backup policies. We make sure this section is secure and structured so it supports the rest of the sites without becoming a bottleneck.
Brand and Marketing. This section holds our brand logo and our company milestones and reports, which include an Eversafe 10-year review. It ensures consistent tracking of our bank's financial performance.
We renamed and organized over 30 plus files to match their function in the loan lifecycle. For example, Form BCEA2 was renamed to Eversafe Employee Wage Register. This helps users instantly recognize what each file is. Our folder structure also mirrors the business process, so it's intuitive. For example, under Legal and Compliance, we stored all risk and privacy documentation. We've also implemented naming conventions to reduce duplication and improve consistency.
We use 6 key metadata elements in our SharePoint content. Modified by, file size, date, coordinator, description, and confidentiality level. Together, these improve searchability, filtering, and security, making it easy to retrieve exactly what you need in seconds. With metadata, it's like using a cheat code in a video game. It saves you time and points you straight to the treasure.
In the toggle navigation pane, you will find our taxonomy. Our taxonomy was designed around real operational workflows, with each department having a dedicated folder with logical subfolders based on function. At the top level, we have departments like Finance, Human Resources, IT Department, Operation and Admin, Client Services, brand, and marketing. Inside each, folders break down by process or documentation type. The staff makes use of this and can move through the digital process just like they would physically. This helps reduce clutter, avoid misfiling, and ensure users can access the content they require based on their role within the company.
Thanks for joining us on this walkthrough. Eversafe Financials now has a SharePoint system that's more than just organized. It's user-friendly, secure, and designed to reflect how real financial operations work. We didn't simply arrange documents. We created a more efficient way to work. Ultimately, when systems run seamlessly, people can focus on what truly matters, serving clients and making informed financial decisions with confidence. We hope you enjoyed it.